Are you planning a solo trip? In this video, we will share the top 10 essential solo travel hacks that you need to know. Whether you are a seasoned solo traveler or going on your first solo adventure, these tips will help you have a safe and enjoyable journey. When traveling solo, it's important to pack light and smart. Choose versatile clothing that you can mix and match, and pack only the essentials. Roll your clothes to save space and use packing cubes to organize your belongings. Before embarking on your solo trip, make sure to research your destination thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with local customs, laws, and emergency contact information. Plan your itinerary and make a list of must-visit places and activities. Solo travel doesn't mean being disconnected from the world. Stay connected with your loved ones and let them know your whereabouts. Activate international roaming or purchase a local SIM card to stay connected on the go. Safety is a top priority when traveling solo. Keep your belongings secure by using a reliable anti-theft backpack or bag. Carry a photocopy of your important documents and keep them separate from the originals. As a solo traveler, it's essential to trust your instincts. If something feels off or unsafe, remove yourself from the situation. Stay alert and aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded or unfamiliar places. Solo travel offers a great opportunity to meet new people and make lasting connections. Be open to socializing and join group activities or tours. Stay at hostels or accommodations that encourage social interactions. Knowing a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Learn how to say greetings, thank you, and ask for help. Locals appreciate the effort and it can enhance your travel experience. Solo travel can be safe with the right precautions. Share your itinerary with someone you trust, avoid walking alone at night in unknown areas, and use reliable transportation options. Lastly, embrace the freedom that comes with solo travel. Enjoy the flexibility to explore at your pace, try new things, and discover yourself. Solo travel can be an incredibly enriching experience.